We are creatures of habit. This is true in our personal lives, and it's true in the workplace. Think about the routines you follow every day, the steps you take almost without thinking. These habits, these automated patterns, allow us to be more efficient. We can devote our mental energy to other tasks. Now imagine harnessing that power of automation in your work. Workflow automation is about identifying those repetitive tasks, those energy drains, and handing them off to technology. Instead of manually transferring data, sending emails, or updating spreadsheets, you can automate these processes. This frees up your time and mental energy. You can focus on more creative, strategic work. Let's say you're a small business owner. You're constantly juggling marketing, sales, and customer support. Workflow automation can be a game changer. You can set up systems to automatically welcome new subscribers, track leads, and send follow-up emails. Automation is not about replacing human input, it's about amplifying it. By automating repetitive tasks, we empower ourselves. We can focus on what truly matters: innovation, creativity, and building meaningful connections. Embracing automation is about working smarter, not harder. It's about leveraging technology to enhance our capabilities and achieve more with less effort. Before we dive into the how-to, let's get familiar with some key players in the automation game. These tools are designed to make your life easier by streamlining tasks and improving efficiency. Think of these tools as your digital assistants, each with its own strengths and specialties. They can handle repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on more strategic activities. First up, we have Google Sheets. This tool is incredibly versatile and can be used for a variety of tasks. This isn't your average spreadsheet program. Google Sheets offers advanced features like real-time collaboration and powerful data analysis tools. Google Sheets is a collaborative powerhouse, perfect for storing, organizing, and manipulating data. It's ideal for teams who need to work together on data-heavy projects. Next, we have Outlook, the email giant. It's a staple in many workplaces for good reason. It's more than just sending and receiving messages. Outlook offers calendar integration, task management, and more. Outlook can be a powerful automation tool, especially when integrated with other platforms. It can help you manage your time and communications more effectively. Trello, our third musketeer, is all about project management. It's a visual tool that makes organizing tasks a breeze. Imagine a virtual whiteboard where you can create boards, lists, and cards to track tasks and collaborate with your team. It's perfect for keeping everyone on the same page. Then there's Slack, the communication hub for teams. It's designed to keep all your conversations in one place. Slack streamlines communication, keeping everyone in the loop and projects moving forward. It's great for quick updates and team discussions. Finally, we have HubSpot, a marketing and sales automation platform. It's a comprehensive tool for managing customer relationships. HubSpot is a powerful tool for attracting leads, converting them into customers, and building lasting relationships. It offers a suite of tools for marketing, sales, and customer service. Each of these tools, when used strategically, can contribute to a more automated and efficient workflow. By leveraging their unique features, you can save time and improve productivity. Before diving into the world of Make and Zapier, it's crucial to identify your specific automation needs. Understanding what you need to automate will save you time and effort in the long run. Start by listing out your daily tasks. Which ones are repetitive and time-consuming? Think about the tasks that you find yourself doing over and over again. Which tasks involve transferring data between different applications? These tasks often take up a lot of time and can be easily automated. These are prime candidates for automation. By automating these tasks, you can focus on more important aspects of your work. For example, let's say you're a social media manager. Your job involves a lot of repetitive tasks that can be automated. Every time you publish a new blog post, you need to share it across various social media platforms. This can be a tedious process. This involves copying and pasting the title, link, and maybe even a short description multiple times. Automating this can save you a lot of time. This process is not only tedious but also prone to errors. Mistakes can happen easily when you're doing the same task repeatedly. Another common automation need is lead management. Managing leads manually can be very time-consuming. Imagine you're collecting leads through a Google form. Each lead's information needs to be transferred to your CRM. Instead of manually transferring each lead's information to your CRM, you can automate this process. This ensures accuracy and efficiency. This ensures that all leads are captured and nurtured promptly. Automation helps in maintaining a consistent workflow. By identifying these pain points, you can start to envision how automation can streamline your workflow and free up your time for more strategic initiatives. This will ultimately lead to increased productivity and efficiency in your work. Make, formerly known as Integromat, is a powerful automation platform that allows you to connect different apps and services to create complex workflows. Think of it as a digital conductor, orchestrating the flow of information between your various tools. At the heart of Make are scenarios. A scenario is essentially a series of modules that represent actions to be performed. Each module performs a specific function, such as sending an email, updating a spreadsheet, or triggering an action in another app. To create a new scenario in Make, simply click the Create a New Scenario button. You'll be prompted to choose your trigger module. The trigger module is the event that sets your automation in motion. For example, if you want to automate the process of saving new Google Forms submissions to a spreadsheet, your trigger module would be Watch New Responses in Google Forms. Once you've selected your trigger module, you can start adding additional modules to build out your workflow. Section 5. Bridging the gap, connecting Make and Zapier. While Make is incredibly powerful for building complex workflows, there are times when you need to connect to applications that Make doesn't natively integrate with. That's where Zapier comes in. Zapier is another popular automation platform that boasts an extensive library of integrations. To connect Make and Zapier, we'll utilize Make's webhooks module. A webhook acts as a messenger between applications, sending real-time notifications when a specific event occurs. In our Make scenario, we'll add a webhooks module after our trigger. This module will generate a unique URL that we'll use to connect to Zapier. Make also offers an HTTP module that can be used to send requests to Zapier's API. This module provides more flexibility for sending data to Zapier, allowing you to customize the request headers and body. By using either webhooks or the HTTP module, you can seamlessly integrate Make with Zapier, unlocking a world of automation possibilities. Section 6. Zapier, your automation shortcut. Now that we've established a connection between Make and Zapier, let's explore how to set up a Zap, Zapier's term for an automated workflow. Creating a Zap is remarkably straightforward. Start by clicking the Make a Zap button on your Zapier dashboard. For the trigger, select Webhooks by Zapier. This tells Zapier to listen for the signal from our Make scenario. You'll then be prompted to choose a trigger event, which should be Catch Hook. Zapier will then provide you with a unique webhook URL. Copy this URL and paste it into the webhooks module in your Make scenario. This establishes the link between Make and Zapier. Now, whenever your Make scenario is triggered, it will send a signal to Zapier, activating your Zap. Section 7. Streamlining integrations with Zapier. The real magic of Zapier lies in its ability to connect to thousands of different apps and services. Once you've set up your webhook trigger, you can add actions to your Zap to perform various tasks in other applications. For instance, let's say you want to automate the process of adding new leads from a Google form to your HubSpot CRM. In your Zap, you would add a Create or Update contact action in the HubSpot app. Zapier will then guide you through the process of mapping the fields from your Google form submission to the corresponding fields in HubSpot. This ensures that your leads information is automatically transferred to HubSpot, saving you time and reducing the risk of manual errors. Zapier's intuitive interface and extensive app library make it incredibly easy to create powerful integrations without writing a single line of code. Section 8. Best practices for automation success. While automation can significantly enhance your productivity, it's essential to follow best practices for optimal results. First and foremost, start small. Don't try to automate everything at once. Instead, focus on automating one or two key processes at a time. Once you've mastered those, you can gradually add more complex workflows. Regularly monitor your automations to ensure they're functioning as expected. Make sure to test your scenarios and Zaps thoroughly before deploying them to a live environment. Documentation is also crucial. Clearly document your workflows so that you and your team can understand how they work and troubleshoot any issues that may arise. By following these best practices, you can ensure that your automation efforts are successful and sustainable in the long run. Section 9. Make and Zapier, a powerful automation duo. By combining the power of Make and Zapier, you can unlock a new level of automation prowess. Make excels at building complex multi-step workflows, It's perfect for automating tasks that require logic, conditional processing, and data manipulation. Zapier, on the other hand, shines in its ability to quickly connect to a vast array of apps and services. It's ideal for simple app-to-app automation, such as sending notifications, copying data, or creating tasks. By using these platforms together, you can leverage the strengths of each to create robust and efficient workflows. For instance, you can use Make to handle the heavy lifting of data processing and then use Zapier to push that data to other applications in your tech stack. This dynamic duo empowers you to automate even the most intricate business processes, freeing up your time and resources to focus on what truly matters, growing your business.